To connect your Namecheap domain to Adobe Portfolio, follow these steps. Log into Namecheap. Go to the Namecheap website and log into your account. In your dashboard, navigate to the domain list and select the domain you want to connect to Adobe Portfolio. Access domain settings. Click on Manage next to the domain you want to edit. In the domain settings, scroll down to the Name Server section. Update name servers. If you're using custom DNS, set name servers to custom DNS and add the required name servers from Adobe Portfolio. For Adobe Portfolio, you would typically need to point to ns1.adobe.com and ns2.adobe.com. Configure DNS records. Go back to your Namecheap dashboard and click on the Advanced DNS tab. Under Host Records, add the CNAME record. For host, enter www. For value, enter your portfolio.myportfolio.com. Set the TTL to the lowest value possible. Update Adobe Portfolio settings. Log into your Adobe Portfolio account. Go to the Settings Domain section and enter your Namecheap domain. Follow Adobe's instructions to verify the domain. Wait for propagation. It may take up to 48 hours for the DNS settings to propagate and for your Namecheap domain to be fully connected to Adobe Portfolio.